What up, YouTube? This is Jamie for Have Faith Pressure Washing Services. I know in the last video I did the unboxing of my 8 gallon a minute. Got it set up now, plumbed and everything. That's my other 4, I'm selling that one. But here's my hose reels. It's all looks different. Got it plumbed up with my banjo filter, 1-inch hose coming out of my IBC tote. Right over here to my 8 gallon a minute general pump, belt drive, 3500 PSI on the GX690. Gas tank, got everything plumbed. And there's the battery, extra gas tank. Now, I'm finna go ahead and crank it up and start it up and see what we have. Pull it, choke it out, start it up. Working now. That's the water coming out of my ball valve. Yep, that's working. Put that right there. We're gonna go ahead and turn it up a little bit more. That's 8 gallons a minute. That's my ball valve. Well, working just fine. Eight gallons a minute, right over the neighbor's yard. Looks like it's a successful test. Everything looks like it's ready to work. Just ironing it down a little bit. A successful test on my new 8 gallon a minute. I also bought a new surface cleaner. I got a 24-inch with casters on that surface cleaner right here, 24-inch. That's my 20-inch. I still have that on my bleach. So we good to go. Now it's time to make some real money. But that was a successful test on my 8 gallon a minute. So if you like the video, like and subscribe. I appreciate you. I'll get back with you.